So you're thinking about joining the military? Hey there and welcome to the Military Mentor. Let me tell you something, you're not just looking at a job, you're stepping toward a whole new way of life. It's exciting, challenging, and life-changing. But before you trade in your sneakers for combat boots, you need a plan. You're about to take on one of the most significant decisions of your life, and I'm here to break it down for you, step by step, straight from someone who's helped hundreds of recruits take that first leap. This journey starts with you, and it starts now. Step 1. Research. Find your fit. Before anything else, you need to ask yourself, where would I fit in? Each branch of the military, Army, Navy, Air Force, Marine Corps, Coast Guard, or Space Force, is like a different family with its own mission, culture, and specialties. Your choice matters. Explore the branches. The Army builds ground warriors. The Navy rules the seas. The Air Force dominates the skies. The Marines are first to fight. And the Coast Guard and Space Force bring unique missions of their own. Talk to recruiters. That's me, your guide to the real deal. I'm here to answer everything from what's boot camp like to how can this help me in 20 years? Ask questions. Get the truth. Use online tools. Visit branch websites, take career quizzes, and watch videos from real service members. Pro tip. What are your goals? Do you want to see the world? Learn a technical trade? Serve in combat? Get college paid for? Be honest with yourself. Your future is on the line here. Step 2. Take the ASVAB, your career compass. Here's the deal. The Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery, ASVAB, isn't just a test. It's a window into your future. What is it? The ASVAB measures your strengths in math, science, mechanics, reading, and more. Your score determines what military jobs, or MOS, you qualify for. High scores mean more options. Preparation is everything. Don't wing it. Use online study guides, practice tests, or tutoring. This isn't just a school test. This is your potential future. Scheduling. Your recruiter will help you set a test date at a nearby testing center. All you have to do is show up and give it your all. Quick tip. Take this seriously. I've seen folks lose their dream jobs because they underestimated this step. Trust me, many have failed the ASVAB because they show up unprepared. Step 3. MEPS. Get cleared to serve. Welcome to the Military Entrance Processing Station, MEPS. This is where we find out if you're ready, physically, mentally, and legally, to serve. It's not glamorous, but it's crucial. Medical screening. From hearing and vision checks to blood work and a full-body health review, this is a deep dive into your medical history. Physical fitness tests. Basic exercises to make sure your body's good to go. Background checks, legal or moral issues. Be upfront. Transparency is non-negotiable here. Heads up. Bring all required paperwork and be honest during your medical history interview. A system called Genesis can pull up to 10 years of medical records, so don't hide anything. Honesty now saves you headaches later. Step 4. Job selection. Choose your path. By now, you've got your ASVAB scores and MEPS clearance. It's time for the fun part, choosing your career. Understanding your options. Each branch has its own unique jobs. Match scores to careers. High ASVAB scores mean better career opportunities. Pick something you'll love. Job availability. Some positions are in high demand with awaiting lists. Stay open-minded and flexible. Pro tip. Think long-term. Ask recruiters about job training, certifications, and how your military skills transfer to civilian careers. Step 5. Sign the contract and swear in. Here's where it gets real. You've made your choice, and now it's time to commit. The contract. This legally binds you to serve for a set period. Read every word. Ask questions. Delayed entry program. Most recruits wait a few months before shipping to basic training. Use this time to get in shape, study, and mentally prepare. The oath of enlistment. This is the moment it all becomes official. You'll raise your right hand, take the oath, and pledge to protect and defend the Constitution. Final thought. This is your future, your contract, and your commitment. Don't sign until you feel ready, but don't hesitate. I have met multiple individuals that regret not joining when they had the chance. The journey starts here with you. Joining the military isn't for everyone, but for those who take the leap, it's the opportunity of a lifetime. From researching your options to swearing in, each step gets you closer to a future of service, discipline, and endless possibilities. Take it one step at a time. Talk to people who've been there. Lean on your recruiter, and here at the Military Mentor, we've got your back. And when the day comes to stand tall and take that oath, you'll know you made the right call. Ready for more details? Check out my full series, 10 Steps to Joining the U.S. Military, where I walk you through each phase as a mentor, a guide, and someone who believes in your potential. Let's get you started. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit the notification bell.